हेलो प्यारे बच्चों, वेलकम टू योर ओन चैनल लर्निंग लाइट फॉर साइंस. So students, today we are here with our worksheet number 52, class 9, subject science, and today we discuss about the connective tissue. Gyan asked, Jigyasa Didi, is blood also a type of tissue? Then Jigyasa reply, those tissue whose cells are loosely spaced and are embedded in the intercellular matrix are known as connective tissue. It means some tissue whose cells are very loosely spaced and in the spaces the matrix is filled is known as connective tissue, and blood is also a connective tissue. What is the main example of connective tissue? That is the blood. And in the connective tissue, two things are main, that is cellular component and intercellular matrix. This matrix may be jelly-like, may be fluid, may be dense or rigid. What are the different type of connective tissue? First is blood, bone, cartilage, ligament, tendon, areolar and adipose. So let's study one by one, students. It's very interesting topic, but you have to concentrate about it, that what is the location of the each and every connective tissue and what is the particular function and what it is that of composed of. Okay, now let's study. First start with the blood. Student, blood has a thick matrix known as plasma. Plasma is a yellowish fluid in which three type of cell, that is RBC, WBC and platelets are suspended. It flow and transport the gases like oxygen carbonate. It also digests food, hormones and excretory substances from one part of body to another. So what is RBC? RBC means red blood cells. It impart red color to the blood. Second one is WBC, white blood cell, which is called the soldiers of the body. And why WBC is called the soldiers of the body, students? Because it protects our body from the attack of foreign particles. Third one is platelets, and the platelets are called the blood clotters because they help in the clotting of the blood and prevent the overflowing of the blood out of the body. It helps in avoiding the loss of the blood. Okay, students, what are the functions of the blood? Blood help in the transport the gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide, and it also help in the movement of the digested food and hormones, and it also help in the removal of the excretory products. So these are the main functions of our blood, and it is a connective tissue. Let's move to the second connective tissue, that is our bone. Bone is a strong and non-flexible. Why? Because they are embedded in a hard matrix which is composed of calcium and phosphorus. And what is the function of the bone, student? It provides the framework, shape and support to our body. It anchor our muscles also. So what is the function of the bone, student? It prepare our body to fight against the injury. It maintain the shape and structure of our body, and it support the internal organs. Now move to the next one, that is cartilage. What is cartilage? Solid matrix composed of proteins and sugar, due to which it is strong and flexible, and it is widely spaced in the loosely packed spaces, student, and it is found in somewhat organs like nose, ear, trachea, larynx, and it provide the mechanical protection. So student, cartilage is present between the bone joints. Okay, it is very flexible and it is found in some peculiar parts of our body like in our ear, our nose, our trachea and larynx. If you touch your ear and revolve it around one side and bend it on the another side, there is a no pain because due to the flexibility of cartilage. And same here in the upper portion of your nose. Next one is ligament and tendon. What about the ligament and tendon, student? Ligaments are the fibrous tissue. They are very elastic and they have less matrix. They connect bone to bone. So ligament connecting here bone to bone on your elbow part, and tendon connect muscle to the bone. And the next one is areolar tissue. Areolar tissue fill the space and support the internal organ, help in the repair of the tissue. It is found between the skin, between the muscles, around the blood vessel and the nerves in the bone marrow. These are the locations. Last one student, last one is very important, that is adipose tissue, which act as the insulator of the heat. It means it protect our body in the winter season by supplying the heat or by preventing the going of the heat out of our body. It is present in the underlying organ in the form of the fat globules below the skin and between internal organs. Now do the exercise. What is connective tissue? Explain with example. So your first answer is this is your first answer student. Second question, what are the function of ligament and tendons? This is your second answer. What are the areolar on cartilage? This is your third answer student, along with the cartilage location. Fourth, name a connective tissue which had a liquid. So that is your fourth answer student. I think this worksheet very informative and very easy. Now you have understand the location, composing material and the function of the each and every type of connective tissue. If you like that worksheet, share with your friend circle, subscribe our channel Learning Light, and please don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of all worksheets. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.